So, dear student, as usual, this is our first class. So, it will be better to introduce myself. So, my name is Salahuddin Sayyid. I am from UP, Kannauj, district Kannauj, and actually, my birthplace and everything, education and growth, primary education, everything is in Mumbai. This is my father's village, father's home, and my mother's from Mumbai. So I complete 5 years from Quwatul Islam Arabic College, branch of Darul Huda Islamic University. After the completing 5 years there, I just came to Darul Huda and complete my graduation also. So it was very thankful. So that's it. That is my short information. So because we have to interact face to face, but the situation is not like that. So inshallah, when I will come to campus, so we will discuss and interact within details. So that is no any big issue. So inshallah, we will get too much frank, inshallah. Okay, so I hope all of you are ready. Take it easy. There is no any difficult or any more important thing to just teach you. Inshallah, I will just upload the few of firstly there are some, and one more thing, there are some instructions for the student. I think that all of you have noticed that, because this is not my this is not your first class this is my first class through online for ninth standard and ninth for degree second year students. So my first class was to 10th class English. So inshallah, all of you are just noticed that what the rules and regulations. You have to be online at the time of the period. I think so the first period of the day, it start from the 9 a.m. to 9:30, only half hour, and the second period start from the 9:45, I think so. Between first and second period there are 15 minutes gap for research or something else, to just set up and to go to another class of start. So you have to make sure to be online, okay, and you will inshallah you will get update through our telegram group. So that is inshallah, I will send you all the guidelines and outfit of the syllabus. Don't be so, okay. So I think what to do now. I'm just there are no any chance to just introduce yourself within detail. So if you want to just chat with me, or if you want in any information about related to me, so you may ask any question in telegram group or in person also. There is no any restrictions, no any you are all are allowed to just ask any questions, okay. That is Assalamu alaikum.